Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar for the perfect sweetness. For the liquid base, 1 cup of milk is ideal. Whole milk offers a wonderfully rich and creamy texture. Finally, don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance all those delicious flavors. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's start by combining the dry components. Take your 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and place them into a small saucepan. Using a whisk, thoroughly blend these dry ingredients together. This crucial step helps prevent any lumps from forming later, ensuring your hot chocolate is perfectly smooth and delightful. A well-mixed dry base is key to a consistent and delicious drink. With your dry ingredients combined, it's time to introduce the liquid. Gradually pour in your 1 cup of milk into the saucepan. Place the saucepan over medium heat and whisk continuously. This constant stirring is vital to dissolve the cocoa and sugar completely, creating a smooth consistency. Heat the mixture until it's hot and steaming, but be careful not to let it boil. Once hot, remove from heat and stir in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Your homemade hot chocolate is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the steaming, rich beverage into your favorite mug. This is also the perfect moment to personalize your drink with delightful toppings. A dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a handful of fluffy marshmallows can elevate your experience. Serve it immediately and take a moment to savor the warm, comforting, and utterly delicious hot chocolate you've just created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.